I am SB Misra going to teach you the remaining part of relation for class 11 mathematics. Question number 10. N is a natural number and R is a relation such that collection of AB ordered pair A and B are member of N and 2A plus B is equal to 10. Maintain this formula. Then find domain and range. Also show that R is a binary relation. Now see, write the formula 2A plus B is equal to 10. So B is equal to 10 minus 2A. To avoid the fraction, I have written the value of B. Now, if you are calculating A, then it will be 10 minus B by 2. So better to calculate B. Now put the value of A 1, since the natural number starts from 1. If you are putting A 1, B will be 8. Put in this formula. If A is equal to 2, next natural number, B will be 10 minus 2 into 2, 6. If A is equal to 3, next natural number, B is equal to 4. If A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2. If A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. But 0 is not a natural number. Hence, just see the figure. 1 goes to 8, 1 goes to 8, 2 goes to 6, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 2. These are the, according to instruction, we are getting this. So the relation is 1, 8, 1, 8, 2, 6, 3, 4, 4, 2. This is the relation. Since the arrow diagram is meaningful, so the relation is binary relation. To prove the relation is binary relation, only you will show that the arrow diagram is meaningful. Now clearly domain is the used element of first set 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is the used element of second set 8, 6, 4, 2. And codomain is equal to last set, the whole natural number. Now 11. If A cross B is equal to this, find A and B. Note that the first A, B, A, B, A, B. So A is equal to A, B. The first member are belonging to A. And the second member 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3 are belonging to second set B. Now 12 number question. A cross B has 6 elements. There are 3 elements given. Write the value of A and B. A cross B, B cross A. So the first member 1, 2, 3. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4 and 6. So 4 and 6. So first of all write A, then B. Now A cross B. 1, 2, 3 cross 4, 6. You know how to find A cross B. After that you know how to find B cross A. So both are ready. Next question number 13. X cube. X is a prime number less than 8. Write the relation in roster form. You know that less than 8 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So putting x is equal to 2 in this, then 3 in this, then 5 in this, then 7 in this. We are getting this. If you are taking 2, 2, 2 cube, 3, 3, 3 cube, 5, 5, 5 cube, 7, 7, 7 cube. So on simplifying, this is the answer. Next. If A is equal to A cross A are given, 2 elements of A cross A are given, write A and A cross A. Since A cross A means all are the member of A, minus 1, 0 and 1, all the 3 are the member of A. Only one set is available, A cross A. There is no any B. So A cross A, minus 1, 0, 1 into minus 1, 0, 1. You know how to write the ordered pair. So this is the relation. Inverse relation is very easy. If R is equal to AB, then R inverse is equal to BA. Now, if R is equal to 1, 2, R inverse is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, so 2, 3, 5, 7, so 7, 5, 3, 4, so 4, 3. In this way, we can write the inverse relation. Now, if A is equal to 1, 2, write A cross A, triple product. A cross A, you know. So, this is A cross A. After that, A, cross A, one more A. So write the value of A cross A. After that, cross one more A. Now the green are taken with 1. So 4 members. And again the green are taken with 2. Again one more 4 numbers. More 4. Just see the green. 4 greens are taken with 1. 4 green are taken with 1. 4 greens are taken with 2. So we are getting the order triplet. This is the proof of some relations. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Now this is the definition. If xy belongs to A cross B, then x is a member of A and y is a member of B. We follow this definition. So let xy belongs to the cross product. Remember that in case of set only x is taken, but in case of cross product we take ordered pair. So x belongs to first set A and y belongs to second set B union C. Now break this B union C. After that this is multiplied with y or is silent, and same thing is multiplied with this. So we are getting the two pairs. Now if x belongs to A, y belongs to B, it means x comma y belongs to A cross B. Likewise, if x belongs to A, y belongs to C, then xy belongs to A cross C. So finally xy belongs to A cross B union A cross C. So starting from red we have got green, left to right, so this is proved. Likewise 17 can be proved, no harm. Let xy belongs to A cross B intersection C, it means x belongs to A and y belongs to B intersection C. Break this. After that this is taken with y belongs to B and the same thing is taken with y belongs to C. Now this is called xy belongs to A cross B and this is called xy belongs to A cross C. So finally xy belongs to A cross B intersection A cross C. Hence the proof is ready. Showing given relation is equivalence relation. This is the last. Just know if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, A cross A, how to find A cross A you know. This is collection of all ordered pair. Select subsets of A cross A which are the relations. You have to the relations are subsets of A cross A. Let R is इसमें से select करो ऐसा choice के अनुसार 1 1 doublet 2 2 doublet 3 3 doublet. Only 3 3 are available, not 4 4. So if you are collecting this type of ordered pair and making a relation, this relation is called reflexive. 1 reflected in mirror it will be 1, 2 reflected in mirror it will be 2, 3 reflected in mirror it will be 3. So this type of relation is called reflexive relation, and definition is A belongs to R for all A member of A. एक भी छूटना नहीं चाहिए, 1 1 1 भी, 2 2 भी, 3 3 भी. Now second, if 1 2 is taken, the reverse order 2 1 must be available. If 1 3 is taken, the reverse order 3 1 must be available. This type of relation is called symmetric relation. If AB belongs to R, then BA must belongs to R. Now third number, if R is equal to this is taken 1 2 2 1, then 2 2 will be cancelled, 2 2 silent, then 1 1. So in planned way I have taken this relation is called transitive relation. Just see, if AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, B and B will be silent, then AC belongs to R. Such relation is called transitive relation. Now relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is called equivalence relation. Now R is equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 to 2 1. This is defined on A 1 2 3. Here R is an equivalence relation. All the three, all 1 2 3 have been mixed in this. All the member of above example are available in this, all the doublet. If 1 2 then 2 1, if 1 2 2 1 2 2 cancel 1 1. So this is equivalence relation. Just once more recall the definition of equivalence relation. A belongs to R is true, AB belongs to R, this implies BA belongs to R is true, AB belongs to R, this implies BC belongs to R. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R implies BB cancelled, and AC belongs to R. This is called transitive relation. This is the most important question, number 18. For exam point of view, in 4 different ways the question can be asked. A minus B belongs to Z. or a minus b is even number or is divisible by 2 or is divisible by m. So let us take first number. We have to prove that R is equivalence relation. So this is the definition of relation. Now first reflexive relation. In reflexive we have to show that A belongs to R, means all the doublet are the member of R. Now starting from LHS AA, the meaning of A means A minus A belongs to Z, A minus A belongs to Z, 0 belongs to Z, Z is integer, so this is true statement and hence A belongs to R proved. A belongs to R is proved. Now symmetric, in symmetric if AB belongs to R, we have to show that BA belongs to R. Let AB belongs to R. This implies A minus B by definition. A minus B belongs to Z. Minus common, B minus A belongs to Z. Minus removed, B minus A belongs to Z. Z is integer. Now it means BA belongs to R. Proved. So this is proved. Now transitive. If AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, we have to show that AC belongs to R. In transitive, B will be cancelled. So B cancelled, then AC will remain. So AB belongs to R means A minus B belongs to Z. BC belongs to R means B minus C belongs to Z according to this definition given at earlier. Now B cancelled on adding, so on adding A minus C belongs to R, so AC belongs to R. Hence all the three relations are verified, so equivalence relation proved. Now see that here we have to mention that since R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, so equivalence relation proved. Equivalence relation proved. Now here to prove all the three, replace belongs to by is even number, or replace belongs to by is divisible by 2, or replace belongs to by is divisible by m, all can be proved. So wherever this red belongs to Z, in place of belongs to Z, you can use is even number, is divisible by 2, is divisible by m. So this is the last question of relation. After that the function will be discussed. Wait.